everybody, welcome back to Madihaz Cooking. So today we are going to be making Russian salad. So into my bowl I have boiled macaroni and I'm just going to be adding my mayonnaise. Here I have some diced up apples. You can add the apples to your taste. Here I have cucumbers. I also have shredded carrots, pineapple chunks, and red kidney beans. I'm also going to be adding black pepper powder throughout the bowl. And here I have sugar, just spreading it out. And here I have heavy cream. And I'm just going to fold all those things together until it's fully and nicely combined. This is a really quick on-the-go recipe. It's great for make-ahead meals, or if someone's coming over, this is just something you can make ahead and you don't have to worry about. It's great as an appetizer or a meal to the side. Great for birthdays, great for any occasion. I really recommend making this. It's just really quick, easy, and it tastes so delicious. You probably have most of this stuff on hand. And yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. Please make sure to like, share, subscribe so I can make more videos like this, and I will see you guys next time.